Oh, Jesus.
Jim Belushi is a Chicago native, actor, singer, musician, and most recently cannabis farmer in Southwest Oregon. He may be best known for starring in movies such as Red Heat and K-9, and for his role in the TV sitcom According to Jim. When Jim heard that the most historic building, the iconic centerpiece of the little town of Huntington, Oregon, had been burned to a pile of rubble by an arsonist, he offered to do a benefit concert to raise money and help rebuild it. When Jim and the band took to the stage, they began belting out the tunes, the audience rocking and jamming to music that had a distinctively Blues Brothers vibe to it. You may recall that Jim's brother John and Dan Aykroyd played the Blues Brothers on Saturday Night Live back in the day. Unfortunately, I can't play any of the music because YouTube would likely slap me with a copyright claim. After the music, Jim hammed it up for the TV cameras, letting his comedic self loose. He explained what happened here and what he hoped would be accomplished.
Brother, I see the light. Lord knows I see the light. I'm waiting on Jesus. I'm waiting on Jesus. Son of God. Holy Ghost power. Holy James Brown. James Brown. Jake and Ellen walked into the church. And the girls gave me that instruction. I am on the road to get the Blues Brothers image.
Right, thanks.
I put on my shirt.
He spoke of the building and then held up a brick and used it as an analogy to a family.
This was an antique historical building that's been here since early 30s. Railroad used to come through here. This is where it started. They would stay above the bar. Arson! Work this down. I'm going to start with this brick. And I'm building it.
He became emotional as he thought of the loss of his brother John, and said how his death had been so devastating to him and his family. It was clear that it still affected him to this day. I had thanked Jim between camera takes. He faced me, pressed his hands together, and bowed slightly. Later, I observed the situation and waited until Jim looked more relaxed and comfortable after speaking to the cameras and after he was done singing, and waited for the right time to approach him. I walked up to him, thanked him again for coming here, and shook his hand. He appreciated that. I asked if I could take a selfie with him, and he happily obliged. Thank you, Jim, for all you've done for people, and for being the down-to-earth and easygoing, cool guy that you are.